It's Darren Investor Income. Welcome to the channel. I'm in on euro dollar here. I've got a buy signal. It's been a downtrend for quite a while now. We're coming below the baseline, so we've just entered a position here. This initial position. We're oversold on the trade panel as well, so we're looking pretty good on this one. Just want to take a little bit of money out, so we'll probably take it back to the baseline. Just looking across here, resistance. Got some resistance actually at the baseline, so it's likely to come back up there. But we're just going to take some quick money out of this one, mainly to enter again. But like I say, we've been oversold for a while. We've had no real movement back at all, and also on the daily, we're looking at a move back as well. So euro will gain some strength over the coming weeks. So basically on this one, we've also got a signal by the looks of it, also at the bottom. This is just a small arrow, so we've got an arrow that's just popped as well, so that's showing that we've got a buy signal as well. So we're all looking good on this one. So I'm going to come back, update you later with how this position turns out. Okay, here we go back in again. We've got a cheeky buy signal down the bottom here, so that's a nice confirmation. We entered down here. I took this one out up the top here, and that was just under break even, and then I took this one out for a nice few pips profit. So it's just literally scalping us at 12 pips. I took this one here. I'm going to be re-entering if this comes down any further. And we've got the buy signal there, like I say, so in fact I'm going to just quickly go and take a trade. Okay, so I'm back in again, just took another trade there. So we've already taken a nice 12 pips profit on this, and we are in it again here. Like I said, we've got this buy signal down the bottom here. So this is a short term one. We've got green above the red, so if you're looking at Nadex or Forex or anything at the minute, we're in the negative at the minute. But what you normally do with this is, when you get a signal like this, you wait for a small pullback. Same with this one down here. So this one would be a pullback here, and then you'd enter that. If you're doing a Nadex contract for an hour or something, you know, trade that one down. Nice profit on that one. This one will be the same. So we just wait for that pullback, so you would enter down there. But if we consider it at this entry at the minute, we're just going to see how this one pans out. But it's likely to come up here and head back to the baseline in any case. So yeah, I'll update you. Well, that's me done. Nice trade again. Green was above the red. Green entry signal down the bottom there with the arrow. I'll zoom in there so you can see it. Took another trade up there. 18 pips on that one. 12 on the other one. That's 30 done for the day. And that's it simple. Got the buy signal. All the trend is up, so you could probably stay in this a lot longer, but as you know, if you're watching my channel at all, I just take the money when it's there. It's my income, so I need to make sure I get that income each day. So I just in and then out in that bulk of that move. So it's a very simple trading day. It's actually quite flat when you look at it. The price range is actually quite flat, but we go with things in our favour. So we're away from our blue line at the top. We've got the entry signals, we've got the trade panel to indicate when we should enter trades, the arrows confirmation, and we have the green above the red. So we've got several factors all playing in to the standard system. It's a system we built on for a few years now, and it just gives you perfect entries like this. So just see that when the price movement comes down, that's why I took this spike down, because I was highly confident that at that time that was against the odds. So the odds were in our favour that the price was going to move back up, at least to test the high here where it got rejected, and up there as well. So that's why I came out there. It reached that kind of very weak level that I could just see there, so I just came out at that point, and it's job done. 30 pips in the bank. Another good day. So yeah, this is where it's come out. So you could have come out on the oscillator at the top here. Absolutely nailed the top there. It's a very high probability trade, like I said earlier on. Everything was in the green, so you could have just held that trade longer. Like I said, I came out nice and early, but just wanted to show you how far it could have gone from our entry. So that if we took it to the top there, that would be 6083 down the bottom here. So we're talking about 33 pips potential there. but I just took the 18 and had a good day anyway. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the system. Down the bottom of here, you've got the overbought and oversold levels. So on these oscillators still, the slow oscillators still are oversold. So if you were to get pullbacks, you can then scalp those further and make a bit more. But I just came out and called it a day.